Hello everyone, myself Shivani Patil. I study in class 8. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Study Aim. In our today's video, I am going to tell you some fact about Ahmedabad, earlier called Karnavati. In the olden times, Ahmedabad was called Karnavati. In the 11th century, the Solanki ruler of Patan won the war against King Bhil of Ashawal and established the city named Karnavati. Later, Sultan Ahmad Shah ordered to change the name of city to Ahmedabad in 1411. The city was named after the four saints whose names started with Ahmad. Location of Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is located on the banks of the Sabarmati River, 30 kilometers from the state capital Gandhinagar. Area of Ahmedabad. The city area is 464 square kilometers. Ex-capital of Gujarat. After independence, Ahmedabad was the capital city of Gujarat till 1970. In 1970, the capital city of Gujarat was shifted from Ahmedabad to Gandhinagar. Manchester of East. Ahmedabad was known as the Manchester of East for its textile industry, largest producer of cotton. Ahmedabad is the second largest producer of cotton in India, and its stock exchange is the country's second oldest. Fastest growing cities. In 2010, Ahmedabad was ranked third on Forbes' list of fastest growing cities of the decade. Lakes in Ahmedabad. There are two main lakes located in the city, the Kankaria Lake and the Vastrapur Lake. Logo of SBI. The logo of State Bank of India is inspired from Kankaria Lake. The logo of State Bank of India is a blue circle with a small cut in the bottom, which depicts perfection and the common man. The logo was designed by the National Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. The logo is a depiction of Kankaria Lake if seen from a height. Second city to build IIM. Ahmedabad was the second city to build an IIM, that is Indian Institute of Management, in December 1961. The first IIM was built in Kolkata in November 1961. Jhulta Minar. This is Sidi Bashir Mosque, which is popular among the world as Jhulta Minar, that is shaking minarets. The most interesting fact about these minarets is when one minaret is shaken, the other one vibrates, and there is not any link between these both. The reason of this is still a mystery. Dine with the Dead, New Lucky Restaurant. This restaurant in Lal Darwaza area of Ahmedabad wants you to eat with the dead. The restaurant is built on a graveyard that was there years ago. Instead of cleaning up the graveyard, the owner of the restaurant let the graves be in peace and just made room for tables and chairs around the graves for his customers. Connected with Pan India Railway Network. The city is connected with the Pan India Railway Network. It has three stations: Kalupur Station, Maninagar Station and Sabarmati Station. Bus Rapid Transit System, BRTS, that is Bus Rapid Transit System. It is the most successful rapid transit system in the nation that can be seen in Ahmedabad. Being the most successful model of public transport in the country, the BRTS service lets people reach their destination quickly as there is a special path built for the BRTS buses, which allows them to run quickly by avoiding the traffic. National and state highway. The city is well connected to the major cities in the state and the country through several national and state highways. International airport. Ahmedabad has Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel International Airport. If you are new on my channel, do like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such kind of videos. Thank you for watching the video.